Hi, I'm Andrew Geddard. I've been practicing natural medicine for 35 years. And today we're going to discuss the 5 supplements that can help irritable bowel syndrome. Number 1, probiotics. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria to the gut and help balance the intestinal microbiota. Fiber supplements like psyllium husk basically help regulate the bowel movements and can relieve either constipation or diarrhea. Now, my all-time favorite digestant is peppermint, and peppermint can be taken in tea form as well as peppermint oil capsules. Now, the next one is a little bit controversial. It's digestive enzymes. Some natural therapists believe that digestive enzymes can produce dependency in the body. Digestive enzymes work by helping to break down food components and therefore reduce symptoms, digestive symptoms. But these natural health providers suggest that by using external digestive enzymes, you're shutting off the body's own generation of its own digestive enzymes. So my advice is if you decide to use digestive enzymes, you do so short-term, like you use digestive enzymes short-term, not on a long-term basis. And the last one I want to talk about is L-Glutamine. Now, L-Glutamine is an amino acid, and it helps repair and maintain the integrity of the gut lining. So it's useful in IBS as well as inflammatory bowel disease. So remember that supplements shouldn't replace a healthy diet and lifestyle. It's essential to address stress, diet, and regular exercise. Natural medicine practitioners can provide a personalized approach to reversing irritable bowel syndrome. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please be sure to like and subscribe. This would really help us grow our channel. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.